Hey, are you a gamer or a streamer who is looking forward to expand their gaming world or connect with fellow streamers? If yes, then welcome back to the channel of GetAssist, and in today's video, I'm gonna help you to figure out how you can create a community or a server and how you can form a Discord account. So without wasting any time, let's get started with it. The name of the server is Discord. So Discord, with its massive user base and thriving communities, offers an unparalleled platform to connect with like-minded individuals. Whether you are aiming to collaborate with fellow creators, grow your audience, so Discord is the place to be. So what are you waiting for? Let's expand your network through it. So firstly, open your web browser and search for discord.com. Then you land on their web page, where you will be getting two options: either to download Discord for Windows or to open up in your web browser only. Now it's your choice. For this time, I'm opening it in web browser, but the Windows app is completely safe, so you can download it. You don't have to worry about it. You don't need to click here. You have an option of login above in the top right corner. Click it. Now you need to click on register. Fill up the form by entering your valid email address. Display name. Username just like other social media platforms, and you can use your gaming name here to be recognized by other gamers. Then the obvious task: create a password. Enter your birth date, and kids, you should be at least 13 years old to have a Discord account. If below that, I'm so sorry. Try next time when you are eligible. It's optional to receive email from agreeing with terms and conditions by clicking on continue. Tell them you are a human cause it's really important. Answer the CAPTCHA correctly. Then it will ask you to verify your email. Just click here. And then go to your inbox and click on verify email. And here you are on Discord. You can create your own server, and while you have some pre-customized templates too. If for personal use, choose for me and friends. If not, then choose club and community. Add a name to your server or community. Upload a DP or logo if any, and click on create server. You can skip this convo, and welcome as it's written, you belong here. Then what next? Then you can invite friends, family, followers, subscriber by sending them the link. Then after adding your buddies or sending them invites, you can create text channels, streaming channels, voice channels, and other channels to create space for different things and different activities. Then you can create categories to give it more simplified looks, so the people on your server don't get confused. You can then go to server settings and create admins moderator and give them different roles. Give them necessary permissions for the channel operation and change their name color to differentiate. You can add bots too. Yes, isn't it amazing? You can add bots in your server for music like Groovy, or music for management or Brank Memer, Cleverbot, to make it more interactive and fun. And here's how you have successfully created your Discord account and server successfully. So that's it for today. If you like this video, if you find this video informative and helpful, just give it a thumbs up. If you have any query related to this video, you can just comment it down below and share this video with all your gamers, friends and community. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, because in the near future, I'll be coming up with such more fun videos. So better look out for. That's all for today's video. I'll meet you in the next one.